Locked out? Lost your car key? Ignition stopped turning? At Locksmith Auto LLC, we help drivers and homeowners across South Florida with fast mobile locksmith service. We specialize in car key replacement, smart key programming, ignition repair, car lockout service, and residential lock repair. All done on the spot. No towing, no dealership delays, no waiting for days. Our mobile locksmith service comes directly to your location in Boca Raton and nearby areas. Lost your only car key? We can cut and program new smart keys, remote keys, push-to-start keys, and transponder keys for many vehicle makes and models, right from our mobile service vehicle. Having problems with your ignition? If your key is stuck, hard to turn, or completely jammed, we repair or replace ignition locks quickly and professionally. Usually for less than the dealership. We also help homeowners with lock repair, lock replacement, rekey service, and emergency house lockouts. Fast response, clean work, professional service. Our goal is simple: help people get back on the road, feel safe at home, and solve locksmith problems without stress. Locksmith Auto LLC, mobile locksmith services in Boca Raton and South Florida. Car keys on the spot.